The linear actuator gear reduction calculator helps you determine the performance characteristics of your linear actuator system based on your motor and mechanical specifications. Let's walk through each input field. First, enter your motor torque in Newton meters. This is the rotational force your motor produces. Next, input your motor RPM, the rotational speed of your motor. Then specify your gear ratio. This represents the mechanical advantage between your motor and lead screw. The lead screw pitch in millimeters tells us how far the actuator moves per revolution. Finally, enter your system's efficiency as a percentage between 0 and 100. For this example, I'll use a motor torque of 0.5 Newton meters, motor RPM of 3000, gear ratio of 20:1, lead screw pitch of 5 millimeters, and efficiency of 75%. After clicking Calculate Linear Actuator Performance, the calculator determines your output force and output speed. The output force shows the linear pushing or pulling force your actuator can generate, while the output speed indicates how fast your actuator extends or retracts. These results help you verify if your actuator design meets your application requirements. Find the link in the description below.